Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can update Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So if you have been wanting to update your Roblox apps, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your app store right over here. Once you do that, you can go to the search bar on top, and then from over here simply go ahead, type in Roblox. Once you type in the Roblox, the results gonna pop up. You just have to wait for a while till the loading is done, and once you find your Roblox app, this is how the interface is gonna look like, including the open option. If your app needs an update, it will automatically go to update option. You don't have to go to an external settings or external steps to reach that. When the Roblox app needs an update or there are new features that needs to be updated, it will automatically have the update text right over there. All you have to do is tap on the update option. Once the update has been done, which will simply reinstall the app over there, you don't have to add any information further. You just have to tap on open, which will be available after the update has been done. And this is how it will look like, and you're good to go. That's basically what it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.